Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to register on Chimera online. So let's start. The website link has been given below on description so that we can enter to the website. For signing up, you have to give the information they are asking for. Therefore, I am using my name as participant1. After that, another page will open and you have to fill the boxes with more informations. Here are some compulsory points that you have to note. You must have to pay 120 taka through Bcash. The number has been given below, and the only way you can fill the form after paying the amount. And lastly, you will get your confirmation mail within 24 hours. Also, you can participate individually as well. What if you want to participate as a team? For that, you have to follow these steps. So after the registration, you have to log in your account again. For participating as a team, you have to send invitation to your partner so that you both can play as a team. Here for example, participant 2 is sending an invitation to participant 1. Since you both have been registered, so here you will be able to select your partner's name from the list. Then they will get an invitation and they just have to accept the request. Here are some extra notes. And yeah, that's how you can register on Chimera. Thank you for watching this long and wishing you all the best for the contest.